Casement window installation in Sugarland, TX, offers a variety of options for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a focus on energy-efficient casement windows, residents can enjoy reduced energy bills and increased comfort. Casement window installation Sugarland is a service provided by experienced casement window contractors who ensure a seamless and professional installation process. Energy-efficient casement windows Sugarland are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. These windows are an excellent choice for those looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Insulated casement windows Sugarland provide additional benefits by offering superior thermal performance, making them a popular choice among homeowners. Casement window installation Sugarland is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Regular casement window maintenance Sugarland can prevent costly installations and extend the lifespan of your windows. Casement window experts Sugarland are available to provide professional installation services, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Custom casement windows Sugarland allow homeowners to personalize their window design to match their unique style and preferences. With a range of casement window styles Sugarland, including modern casement windows Sugarland, there are options to suit any architectural design. Casement window design Sugarland focuses on creating windows that enhance both the interior and exterior of a home. Vinyl casement windows Sugarland are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These affordable casement windows Sugarland offer excellent value for money, making them an attractive option for budget-conscious homeowners. Aluminum casement windows Sugarland provide a sleek, modern look and are known for their strength and longevity. Wood casement windows Sugarland offer a classic, timeless appeal that adds warmth and character to any home. These windows can be customized to fit any design preference, making them a versatile option for homeowners. Double-glazed casement windows Sugarland provide enhanced insulation and noise reduction, making them ideal for homes in busy areas. Casement window suppliers Sugarland offer a wide range of options to meet the needs of any homeowner. From affordable casement windows Sugarland to high-end custom designs, there is something for everyone. Casement window hardware Sugarland is available in various styles and finishes, allowing homeowners to choose the perfect complement to their windows. Casement window replacement Sugarland is a service that can significantly improve the appearance and functionality of your home. By upgrading to modern casement windows Sugarland, homeowners can enjoy the latest in window technology and design. Casement window upgrades Sugarland can enhance the overall value of a property, making them a wise investment. Casement window installation cost Sugarland varies depending on the type and style of window chosen. However, the benefits of installing new casement windows far outweigh the initial investment. Casement window benefits Sugarland include improved energy efficiency, increased home value, and enhanced curb appeal. Discover the best casement window solutions in Sugarland with our expert casement window contractors. Our team specializes in casement window installation, offering a wide range of casement window styles and options to suit your home. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient casement windows, we have the perfect solution for you. Our casement window experts in Sugar Land are dedicated to providing top-notch casement window services, ensuring your satisfaction with every project. Upgrade your home with modern casement windows in Sugar Land, TX. Our selection includes vinyl casement windows, aluminum casement windows, and wood casement windows, each offering unique benefits and features. Double-glazed casement windows and insulated casement windows are also available for those seeking enhanced energy efficiency. Our affordable casement windows in Sugar Land provide excellent value without compromising on quality or style. For those in need of casement window installation in Sugar Land, our skilled technicians are ready to assist. We offer comprehensive casement window maintenance services to keep your windows in top condition. From casement window installation to casement window design, our team is equipped to handle all aspects of casement window installation and maintenance. Trust our casement window experts in Sugar Land to deliver reliable and efficient solutions. Explore the benefits of casement window replacement in Sugar Land, TX. Our casement window installation services are designed to enhance the beauty and functionality of your home. With a focus on energy-efficient casement windows, we help you reduce energy costs while improving comfort. Our casement window installation cost is competitive, ensuring you receive the best value for your investment. Choose from a variety of casement window styles and designs to complement your home's aesthetic. Find the best casement window suppliers in Sugar Land, TX, for all your window needs. Our extensive range of casement window options includes everything from affordable casement windows to high-end custom designs. Whether you're interested in modern casement windows or traditional styles, our suppliers offer a diverse selection to meet your preferences. With our casement window upgrades, you can enhance your home's curb appeal and increase its value. Experience the advantages of energy-efficient casement windows in Sugar Land, TX. Our casement window solutions are designed to provide superior insulation and reduce energy consumption. With our casement window contractors in Sugar Land, you can enjoy the benefits